welcome to MGTracey. Well, today I'm going to show you where I recommend you stay when you'll have your next holiday or vacation in America, and that's Legacy Vacation Villas. It's nicely placed, it's very close to all the different parks. You're not going to get stuck on the I-4, which if you're from the UK, it's like the M25 of your worst nightmare. So it's a lovely place, it's lovely people, it's well priced. I'll put some links below, and you're in the centre of it. So let me show you what you get in a one-bedroom villa. So I've done a few videos on where I wouldn't stay when I was in Florida, and a few people asked where would I recommend. So I'm going to recommend Legacy Vacation Villas. There are two. There's one in Orlando and this one's in Kissimmee. This is the one I think this is well placed for everything. You're about 10 minutes from everything. This is a one-bedroom suite. There are 4 different types of accommodation here, and the suite comes with as a washer, dryer there. It's really useful, that, to be honest, when you've got lots of wet towels and costumes. Just makes life easier. Also, you can go home and you haven't got any laundry. You're up to date. So you get a fully fitted out kitchen with a dishwasher, fridge, freezer. We've never had a freezer that's actually made ice. You have to ask for that. They don't seem to work too well. And you don't get an electric kettle. You need to ask for that to check in, and a very nice person will drop them around. But you do have a coffee machine. You've got everything else. It's all very clean. They do a lot of recycling here, so you'll find blue is for your recycling, black is obviously for anything else. That's an adjoining door, so if you have a friend next door, then that one can be open. You can just walk through, and it's the only thing that possibly I don't like, because you do hear the next door neighbour's noise, or you can smell their cooking. You can see there's a fairly chunky gap under that door, and that is just an internal door. So you've got another area there that I tend to use as a little office. It's got a fire extinguisher in there. These have all been updated recently. They've all got a new floor, so they've got a new tiled floor. They've all been spruced up a bit. The air conditioning is very effective. You can control it and set it to whatever temperature you like. Many places don't allow you to do that. They have it fixed at a set temperature. This is obviously another pull-out bed. You have a TV. They're not smart TVs, but you do have a TV in each room. It has lots of channels, but you can't connect your phone or anything to it. And when you're choosing one, try and get one that has a view like this, which is just glorious, isn't it? I've done a review of the actual facilities here, so I'll tag that video in. You've got 4 pools, you've got arcades, kids area, 2 hot tubs, and I say you're on the 192, so you're very close to everything else that you might want to do on your holiday or vacation in Florida. So this is the main bedroom. You've got plenty of storage, places to put your suitcases and things, and a very important big safe. And also it's big enough to get a laptop in, and there's no extra charge for that, which is fantastic. So you've got another wardrobe here. Behind those louver doors there is actually the air conditioning unit. You have an iron and an ironing board. Okay, let's just have a little look in the bathroom, which has a jacuzzi. So one of the avenue changes is you've now got all your shampoos and bits and pieces on the wall there. You've got a jacuzzi. You've got different lighting options, which is fantastic. Over here is the switch for the jacuzzi. And you will get tons of towels. You'll get 4 towels or so for the pool, and lots of towels to use in your villa. Hope you found my little tour useful. Please like, share and subscribe, and come back every day for a lot more fun here on MGTracey.